Hey guys, today we have a little straightforward lesson on systems of equations through modeling. And all that means is you guys know how to solve systems of equations with graphing and finding the point of intersection. You know how to use substitution. You know how to use elimination. And now we're going to make sure you know how to use your graphing calculator. All right. And again, if you don't have a graphing calculator in front of you, I posted a link for a graphing calculator that works just like having one in your hand. So we're going to go ahead and watch this video together and just kind of talk about it while it happens. Website's pretty funny.
System of equations in the TI-84 calculator. Let's do it. So let's say that you have something like this, and they tell you solve the following system of equations. 2x plus x equals 5, x minus y equals 1. And we need to do this with a calculator. Now, I'm just picking a very simple example, but you can do any system of equations in the TI-84. I'm going to show you how. Let's do it. Perfect. So we have the calculator right here. We're going to go ahead and go to second matrix, and we're going to go ahead and do it on matrix A. So with this button, just move to edit and click enter. Now, you see here that our matrix is a 2 by 3. So you need to fix that.
Two
and
rows
you need to
by
put
3
2
columns.
by 3. Now, we're going to go ahead and plug the values of the system of equations. The calculator will always assume that you're putting x, y, and then the constant. So we have to do it. I'm putting 2, which I already have there, enter, 1, enter, 5, enter. Then look, you have an invisible 1, so 1, enter. Now, this negative 1, I use this negative. Do not use this negative. You will have an error.
Don't
so
use
just
a
put
minus
negative
sign.
1, enter, and then finally the constant 1, enter. In order to get out of here, you need to do second quit. Now I'm going back to second matrix and I go to math. I go to the function ref, which is right here, and you click enter. Now we need to call the matrix that we want the calculator to solve. So I do second matrix, it was A, and voila. When you move to the right, you will have the value on the top is going to be x, and the value on the bottom is going to be y. And that's my answer. X equals 2, y equals 1. You can put anything you want. I'm going to go ahead and just do a quick example again. Let's say that you have another system of equations. I just want to show you with fractions. Let's say 5, negative 2. I'm just making this up. 6, then 4, and then let's put negative 5, and then 9. Now, second quit to get out. Then I go second matrix. Then I go to math. I go all the way. I just want to show you if you need to have your answer in fractions, how to do it. And then finally, click here, call the matrix, and voila. Now, look what happens here. I don't have my answer in fractions. Actually, I have my answer in decimals. You can change that by doing second answer math, and then click on fractions.
Just regular
then
math
click
frac
again,
like we use.
and look, it will give you the answer in improper fractions or a proper fraction, whatever you need to.
All right, so hopefully that helped. Just follow the rules. Since I can't go back and forth on here quite so easily with a graphing calculator, solve the equation. So you would set up a matrix, right? You would have 2, 1, 5, negative 1. And you need to bring everything to one side, or bring your constants equal to the other side like she said. So making your solution in the last column. This equation This will be positive 1 actually, because we're putting it on this side. All right, and then this equation, we will have x minus 2y plus 2z equals 5. So this will be 2, I'm struggling today, guys. This will be 1, negative 2, 2, and 5. And our last one, in the same order, we have 2 x's, no y's, 1 z, and it will equal negative 2. So that's how you're going to want to enter your matrices. And then hopefully you get the solutions. X equals negative 31 over 19. Y equals negative 39 over 19. And Z equals 24 over 19. So you can see if the math frac thing works out. So we've got 31 over 19, negative 39 over 19, and 24 over 19. All right. In this last question, 3 friends go shopping at the same market. This person buys 4 apples, 4 bananas, 7 carrots, and pays this much. The other person buys 1 apple, 4 bananas, 3 carrots, and pays this much. Zara buys 2 bananas and 8 carrots. So we have a system here. We're going to write out that system. 4x plus 4y plus 7z equals $6.08. X plus 4y plus 3z equals $3.77. And we have 0 x's, 2 y's, and 8 z's for $3.22. All right, and you are going to put that in your calculator. We've got x equaling 45 cents. We've got y equaling 65 cents and z equaling 24 cents. All right, so in our case, x is apples. Probably should have said this to begin with. Y is bananas. And Z is carrots. So you can see the cost of apples, bananas, carrots. Literally, this is all about putting things in a matrix and using that reference button in your calculator to solve. That's all there is to it. So good luck. That's what your homework's going to be over, using your calculator to find solutions to systems. All right, bye.